Look at these two in the warm while I'm outside making bird tables. Squirrel proof bird tables, that is. Let me show you. It's been snowing today. This is my new squirrel proof bird table. Whether it works, I don't know. What you do is you've got doors. I mean, it's a pet cage, isn't it? I don't know where we got this from. But I've only just done it, so I don't know what the birds are going to make, but the little birds can get in, and hopefully the squirrels can't. Yeah, that's my latest idea. I was looking out the window this morning thinking, that's not a bird table, that's a squirrel feeder. And that's not what I'm all about. Anyway, there it is. Let's hope this does the trick. See you later.